When it comes to the installation, servicing and repair of almost any heating system, KBR Gas Services Limited can provide everything that you need. Our experienced and qualified heating engineers are on hand to offer their expert help and advice to our customers all across the Grantham region. We are a family-run team of gas and oil heating specialists. From gas, LPG, oil and solid fuel heating systems to underfloor heating, radiators, cylinders, smart heating systems and controls, and landlord safety checks, our expert team are here and ready to offer you a top quality service. We also offer an emergency out-of-hours service for our customers. By combining the right qualifications with a professional and helpful attitude, our heating engineers can provide services of the highest standard. We're here to help you find the type of heating that's right for you and your property, from a log-burning stove to the very latest smart control heating system. We are an established, experienced and qualified team of heating specialists who are highly rated by the people that matter, your fellow customers. KBR Gas Services Limited. Whatever installation, servicing and repair services your heating system needs, get in touch with our experienced and friendly team today.